All right, Sugar Magnolia by the Grateful Dead. We're going to slide into this A chord, these twos right here, from these ones below on the D, G, and B strings. Okay, so what we have there is some sliding. Now we hit that A bass in between, so sliding chord, bass, chord, A again, and then you kind of slide into that 4 from the 2, use your ring finger on the A string, 2 and 2 going down here, and that's like one of those kind of D with the F sharp bass kind of chords. You got 4, 2, and 3 on the same strings that you have those 2s on, so we got... You'll hit some basses in between and stuff, kind of just like kind of back and forth with these chords. And you can vary it and change it up a bit, you know. So one of the second half of this goes like bass to chord, and then so that's 2, 4, 2 on the D, 3, 2 on the A to the A chord. And like I say, you can kind of mix these things up, but it's like. This one you kind of get that pinky down here and do that all those 2s with the 5, and you bring that D with the F sharp bass in on that one. So it's kind of a D with the A bass in this case, because you can keep that A rocking, that A bass. So now you can also kind of come in from that A into that 4th fret, that C sharp. Do that 2, 4, 2, and then that 3, 2 to the A. So you can mix those up, and it definitely live they would mix that up quite a bit, you know, over time. So let's try to play that together. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you'll have like a tag on the end of that. And you can kind of play these endings like without that sliding up to the 4. Kind of focus on the chord more, and then just kind of do the end of that riff. Okay, then we're in the verse. We have okay, so we had the A, riff to the D to A, and then slide it again into A, and then G, E to the A, and then we go to this other A on the 5th fret. C sharp minor right there, F sharp minor over here, so we got G, E to A, C sharp minor, F sharp minor, and then E, D, back to A. And that's a little tag that comes at the end of that. Okay, then we're into the chorus. We got tag. Okay, so that chorus starts with the D chord. You got your 5, 7, 7s, right? You got. And this is part of a G chord. That's 9, 7, and 8 on the D, G, and B strings. We got. So we have a hammer on, 7 to 9 on the A, and that's part of going into a D chord. We got these 7s down here. So A back to D, and then D again. Or you could have the hammers. So that was like hammering into D, G, D, D. We'd come up to this 11, 9, 9, which is part of an E chord. So E to the A, and then you got your tag there. So let's look at the chorus again. 2, 3, and. A to D. E down to A, and then your tag. Okay, then you got a little solo. You got so that's A to your kind of D with the A bass, back to A, so then A, and then E, back to A. You do that twice. And you got your tag. Okay, then we're in another verse. 1, 2, 3, 4. G, E to A, C sharp minor, F sharp minor, E, D back to A. Tag. Another verse. G. Okay, so that was 2 verses in a row. Each one has a tag, and then we have a new little thing. We have A, G, D to A. Now that's 3 times of that. So that was A, G, D, A. Let's try that. 2, 3, and. Now this 4th time it's going to go A to E, and then G to D, and then we'll try to hammer that thing for that next D measure. Okay, so let's try that. A to E, G to D, hammer into that 3rd. 2, 3, 4. Two, 3, 4. Then we got that tag. Now we have our chorus again off that D chord. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that was the tag after the chorus. Now we're going to have A with that D thing. We're going to go. Do that twice. You could have your sliding chords too. Now we're going to do a B here, and you could do this B where you hammer into that 6 on that too, because we got those 4s. Hammering into that 6 is also an option. So we got B. The lyrics are sometime when the night is dying and all that. So we got take me out in a walk. Okay, so what we have is B and then E back to B. 2, 3, and. We go to F sharp 7, 2, 4, 2, 3, 2, 2. And then E to D. A with a C sharp bass to E. B with a D sharp bass. That's those 3rds in the bass thing again. Back to the A with the C sharp. E back to B. And then we're ready for the outro. So once again, that was like. Sometime when the night is dying is the lyrics. So 2, 3, and. Sometime when the night is dying, I take me out and I wander around. Right? Get back to a B. So B, E, B, and then B, F sharp 7, E, D, A with a C sharp, E, B with a D sharp, A with a C sharp. E to B. Okay, then we get into this thing. We're going to slide the 3s into 4s because we've modulated up to B from A. So we get. And we're going to fade out on that thing. So we got the slide into the Bs. That's that same kind of Rolling Stones kind of chord there. That 4 to 1. This is the 1, this is the 4. So it's 6, 4, and 5 with these 4s. So we got. Kind of do that ding, da ding, and then F sharp to E. So that's your 2nd fret bar chord F sharp to that open E. So we got. All right, Sugar Magnolia, Grateful Dead. Tab with this. Hope you dig it. Talk to y'all soon.